This tutorial will demonstrate the BridgeComposer Double Dummy feature. As always, you can start BridgeComposer from the Start menu, Bridge Club Utilities folder. You can calculate and display the double dummy analysis for any bridge deal you like, using the board edit command to enter the deal. We covered that in tutorials 1 and 2, and so we'll open a document we created there and use one of those deals. Incidentally, you may also use File Open to load a LIN file downloaded from BridgeBase Online and analyze those deals. When we first open the document, the first board, board 1, is the active or selected board. To calculate the double dummy analysis for this board, we use the board double dummy menu command. At the top of the double dummy panel, we see the analysis, a matrix of 20 numbers. These are the double dummy results, showing how many double dummy tricks a given player would take as declarer in each of the 5 strains. We see North would take 8 tricks in no trump, 5 in spades, 10 in hearts and diamonds, and 6 in clubs. South would take the same, except for 11 tricks in hearts and diamonds. East and West would both take 2 tricks in no trump, 8 in spades, 2 in hearts and diamonds, and 6 in clubs. Double dummy tricks are the tricks a player would take when all 4 players can see all 52 cards and each player always plays to his or her best advantage. Of course, in actual play, the players can't see all 52 cards, so sometimes the double dummy results are unrealistic. But they nonetheless say what is possible on a given layout of the cards, both for the declarer and for the defenders. Now below the matrix, the makeable contracts are shown. These are calculated directly from the double dummy results in the matrix, and therefore they assume double dummy play by all players. Thus we see South can make 5 hearts. This comes from the result in the matrix that South would take 11 tricks in hearts. Similarly, North can make 4 hearts, 10 tricks in hearts. South can make 5 diamonds. North can make 4 diamonds. North and South can both make 2 no trump. And East and West can both make 2 spades, 8 tricks. So the makeable contracts is just another way of showing some of the same information that is shown in the double dummy analysis matrix. What is not shown are the results for strains that don't make a contract. For example, East, or for this deal, any player, playing in 5 clubs would make only 6 tricks for down 5. Some people prefer to see the full double dummy matrix in order to get this type of information. Others prefer just the makeable contracts format. Following the makeable contracts is the par score and the contract and result that produce that score. Again, this information is derived from the double dummy analysis matrix and assumes double dummy play by all players. The scores for all possible contracts are calculated, and the one that pays the most or costs the least is selected as par. For this deal, the par score is plus 450, plus indicating a north-south score, minus would indicate an east-west score, and this score is made by bidding 5 hearts by south and making 5. After using the board double dummy menu command, you may include the makeable contracts and par information in your diagram by clicking the OK button. The information is shown below the hand diagram and before the auction. Now there are 2 options you may choose for the double dummy analysis. Using the format board layout, the General tab. The first option is DDA format. The default value is makeable contracts, makeable contracts, as we have seen. You may also select grid, which makes available all 20 numbers from the double dummy analysis matrix. To save space, the partnerships, north-south and east-west, are each combined into a single line. Since the double dummy tricks are often the same for both partners. When the results do differ between the partners, both numbers are given, separated by a slash. The par score is shown to the right of the grid. The corresponding contract and result, however, are not shown. I should mention that when you select this option, or indeed any of the many layout options, they will apply to all of the boards in the current document. Furthermore, at any time you may save your current option settings to be the default for all new documents by using Format, Layout, Save as Default. The second option, also in Format, Board Layout, General tab, is Optimum Opening Leads. You may set this to yes. Now, when you choose the board double dummy command, the optimum opening leads are calculated and shown. If you have already calculated the double dummy analysis, as we have done for this board, you will need to also click the Calculate button to recalculate. This shows us, for example, that on this deal, if North plays hearts, East can hold them to 10 tricks by leading a club. If you decide you'd rather not see the double dummy information for a board, use Board Double Dummy, click Clear, and then OK. I'll quickly mention that there is an additional menu command, Tools, Double Dummy All Boards. You may use this to perform the double dummy operation on all the boards in a document with a single command. And you may have wondered that if the double dummy solver can calculate the best opening leads, what about plays later in the hand? The answer is absolutely yes, using a number of features including View Next to Play, Play Position View, and View Suboptimal Plays. I hope to have videos about these sometime soon. But in the meantime, see the Help Topics menu command for details. Also, I've put some links to more information in the description details for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll give BridgeComposer a try.